In this video, I'm going to show you how and why to use Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom Pro account, here's how and why you should actually use Axiom over other trading platforms for meme coins. So the first thing I would like to say is that it's great because you have all those filters. So if I just show you over here, if you go to polls, and if I go to filters over here, you have the option to basically filter out pretty much everything you could ever want for new pairs, final stretches, and the migrated coins. So as you can see, you can set ages, top 10% holders, dev holding, snipers, insiders, bundle holders, pro traders, etc. Okay, so it's great. You can also set the metrics, so what liquidity, volume, and market cap, and then TXNs, and then num buys you want to select, etc. So it's basically good, okay? And you go to socials over here, you can also set minimum and maximum Twitter reuses and select if you want coins to have websites, Telegram, Twitter, or at least one socials. And you can also add in the keywords, B-curve percentages, etc. And you can do this for new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. Apart from that, it's actually very, very quick. So it's a great platform to use, and you can go to discover over here. You can always see the deck screener coins and then the trending coins. You can also trade perpetuals, which is not available on every platform, and you can have your yields over here. You can enable yield if you want to. You can see your portfolio and then your rewards, which you can earn by basically referring your friends to the platform, and they get percentage of they get discount to their fees, and you get a few rewards as well. You can track wallets whenever you want. So if you go to wallet manager over here, you can see and track wallets by clicking add wallet over here, simply putting in the address, the name, and the emoji. And you can simply top up your wallet. All you have to do is just press deposit, copy the Solana address, and simply send your Solana over here to Axiom, and you are ready to begin trading. Their platform over here for trading also looks quite clean. You have the buys and sells, and then you can sell in market, limit, or advanced, and buy as well. You can set your slippage and your bribe fees, as well as your priority fees over here, and you can basically just select it under 3 presets, so however you want them. You can also set the RPCs, enable math protection if you want to, and it's actually very feature packed, and it allows you to do a lot of things that some platforms actually charge for, but over here it's for free, and it's one of the best platforms some of the best crypto traders and meme coin traders use, because it's just so great, especially if you connect it, for example, with Nova over here. So if I go over here and I enable my Nova panel, you can also use that, and it's only gets better with that. You can watch a video in my YouTube channel on how to do this, how to install it, and yeah, that's why I would always basically recommend it, and I don't see why you wouldn't want to use it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.